Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your week 3 screencast video. This week we're going to be finishing up our unit on emails. So reminder that the chapter quiz in Blackboard is due end of day today on Sunday. That should be covering chapter 8. And as we move into week 3, we'll continue with some of our work in chapter 8. You see the readings there. And also, discussion board number 3 on Tuesday will be not only, will be for drafts. That way, everybody can get a little bit of peer review in before the final assignment is due on Sunday, the first end of day. That's your first full assignment worth 50 points. So, as I make my way into the course units, get into chapter 8 course unit. We'll see discussion board number 3. So, discussion board 3. First, you want to make a list of the information that you think needs to be included in the emails as you go through the chapter and you read about context. One of the things in composing emails that's really critical is the ability to extract all the information that you need to communicate in the email or any correspondence, really. So you want to make sure you can prioritize and categorize all the information that needs to go into the emails, both to the department heads and all employees. Please note this is a change in policy, so you might want to keep that in mind. So the first is make a list of information that you think needs to be included in the emails. Then draft both emails. This is email format. One to the department managers or department heads, the second to all employees as directed in assignment number 1. Post both the list of information and the drafts of both emails in the discussion board. After your initial post, review your classmate lists and drafts offering your suggestions for the final draft. So please take a look through, see if your classmates are missing any information, if it's formatted correctly as described in chapter 8. Also, you might want to remind people about conciseness and correct grammar. And remember, business communication should be error free. So please move through the boards, make sure everybody gets some sort of a review on their drafts. So this is two parts. You can post the list in the text box and upload that into the discussion board, and then you also have the ability to put I should say, to upload a Word document that can be added to discussion board 3. Everybody can open up the Word documents if they want to in order to take a look at your drafts. All right, so if you have any questions, once again, make sure that you read your assignment 1, before you upload your final assignments on Sunday. If you have any questions, I'll be around all week. More than likely, I might have an additional upload of a screencast about midweek. So check back into Blackboard for that. All right. Any questions? Like I said, please get a hold of me and good luck.